Nano Banana Pro Prompts. Amazing examples of what's possible. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are taking a look at Nano Banana, and we're going to be giving you a bunch of different examples that you can apply and see what you get. We're going to give you some amazing prompts that you can go ahead and use for yourselves and create amazing looking videos and images as well. So let's get into it. So what is Nano Banana? Nano Banana is Gemini's image creation tool. You can see right here, I'm using the Pro version of Gemini, the Pro AI tool. And in the Pro AI 2, we get Nano Banana Pro, which is now on Gemini 3 Pro. We can see right here. We try it. This is how it's, giving it us. So it's going to give you an example prompt that you can just simply click on it, and it's going to start creating the image right here. So it takes a couple of seconds or a minute, but because I'm using different model, you can see right here, there are different models. There's the fast one and there's the thinking one. The thinking one is going to take its time, going to process it, break everything down, and give you a better result, but it's a bit slower. If you want fast, quick answers, you go with this one. So you can see right here, pretty simple, right? This is the image that it created. We even added some text. You can see right here, step one, go ahead and create the image, right? So here you add the selfie, select the style, right? And boom, you're good to go. It's as simple as that. So that's like an example, but we're going to go ahead and show you some extra and pretty decent examples as to what you can do. So here I have created an example. You can see my stuff. I've been, messing around with it a lot. So here you can see I've created a bunch of different images. So this one is actually one of my favorites because it is so clean. The detail, right? It's so good. Like the text, some of the text don't really work. Like we can see Hawkins, that's great. But what about the other one? We don't know. The background, those, we can see their comics. We can see those are cans of diet sodas. There's a painting over here, but we can't really see anything else. But the detail in the hair, you can see right here, even in the clothes, the hands, like you can see this sofa. It's messed up, but the detail is so good, you hardly can tell that it's AI. If you focus, of course you can tell, but it's actually pretty insane. And you can even make this better if you go ahead and add more text to it. So in order to get this detail, you need to add a bunch of different options, right? You can see this is a pretty long prompt. That's why I added it. That's why this image came out so good. The prompts are key. The longer your prompt is, the more detailed your prompt is, the better your image is going to be. And some other examples are over here. You can see I basically gave it the instruction to give me some different angles and separate them, and it did. It looks pretty good. One other thing that I did, I added this prompt right here, and look at the detail. Look at the result. It's so cool. You can see everything, like the makeup. There's even text on this can at the background. It is so good. This image, you can't really tell if it's AI. You can, like, look at this. The jeans become brown over here. Like if you look at the details, it's like the hoodie has become a part of the jeans. So that's a bit weird. But those are AI still. It can get better, but it is what it is as of right now. And I found this website as well, which is pretty cool. They have like tons of different examples. So this one looks pretty fun. Let's go ahead and use this. All right. So I don't even know, but yeah, let's go ahead and just copy it and let's see what Nano Banana does. We'll just paste it here and let's see. And here we go. And you can see it looks pretty similar to the one that we found over here. It ditto, I would say ditto. And yeah, even the facial expression, it's a bit more expressive. Looks kind of weird. This one is a bit more natural. So let's go ahead and actually change it up a little bit. Let's go ahead and click on explore prompts. All right, we got some more prompts as well. Let's go ahead and choose one of them and see what we get. So yeah, something like this, or this one actually. Yeah, this one looks pretty cool. So we're going to copy this one and let's see what we get. So we're just simply going to paste it. Again, make sure you put as many details as possible. And all right, there we go. And we're done. So this is how the image looks like. And okay, we got 2 cigarettes. Let's see. Do we got 2 cigarettes? Yep, we just got 1 cigarette. And no other foot. So here we got 2 foots, but we got 2 cigarettes as well. So we're taking it. It looks pretty good, not gonna lie. It looks really good. There's no smoke coming out of it, so it's weird, a little bit different, but it still works. So you can see it works. It's so cool. It's so creative. It's fun. And you can create pretty much any type of image you want. You can also upload your own image as well, and then just simply go ahead and, do whatever you want. So for example, if I just open up a picture of, let's say, Superman, all right? Let's go ahead and pull up some images of Superman. So let's say this one. So let's go ahead and upload some photos. I've found a photo of Superman. Let's go ahead and let's say that we want to go ahead and make it, pixelize it. I don't know if pixelize is a real word, but let's do it. And here we go. We have the image of Henry Cavill in pixelized version. So it works. So you can upload your own images and convert them as well. And there are other options as well. Like you can create a video. You can click over here. It'll have to take you to the new chat, and here you can go ahead and input one of the prompts. I've already done this, but if you come over here, I believe this is the image that I created or the video that I created earlier. You can see it's pretty good. The video is really good. Why is it lagging? Here we go. It's pretty good, but there are some details like the way it just moves. I don't know why it's lagging. It just stops, it just stops over here. Like the way it just comes over here, there's just weird physics. It's like it's floating and slippering, but there's so much friction. So it's pretty decent. It's pretty good, not gonna lie. But as far as AI is concerned, um, definitely you need to create some, pretty insane prompt and come up with it to go ahead and create a video that's genuinely as real as it gets. There are plenty of videos out there. People are using VO3 to create videos that are genuinely unbelievable. Like you can't tell it's AI. It's very, very hard. It's getting really difficult to distinguish between AI and real images. So hopefully we can find a way around that. But yeah, you can also create videos on it as well. And also you have another option called, let me change it. You have the guide learner. All right, the guided learning. So what this model specifically is designed for learning stuff. So if you want to learn something, you want to get into something, this is the one you go to. With this prompt, with this model, you will learn anything. You can ask it anything and it will give you a step by step. It's pretty insane. So do check out. So yeah, there you go. These were some of the insane Nano Banana prompts that you can create and create amazing images. So if you've watched the video so far, then you know now how this website works perfectly and how you can use it to make money online and how you can use it to start your own business online as well. Just make sure to do everything I did in the video in a step-by-step manner and you'll be good to go. So having said that, that is it for this video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or come across any problem whatsoever, then let me know in the comment sections down below and I'll be sure to help you out in any way I can as soon as possible. And also, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the bell notification as you'll get notifications every time we post a new video. Your support to the channel means a lot, and also share this video with your friends and family members if they enjoy this type of content and would like to know how to make money online or just simply want to know how a particular software or website works. We post these types of videos daily, so you don't have to worry about running out of content. You will get new content every single day, so don't worry about it. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.